Well, now we're on to day 2 of cleaning the frick up. I'm going to get gas right now, and I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, so I just went and got gas for the tractor, whatever it's called, the wheel horse or whatever it is that we have. Went and got gas. We're gonna clean the truck or the garage out. I'm gonna try and get the truck over there today. I don't know if it's gonna work. I need a measure for a toolbox. I need to get a toolbox and whatnot. I'm not gonna do that today, but I'm probably gonna try and go get that next week. And then maybe, I don't know, I need to measure for it and see where we need to put everything, because I'm gonna get one. I mean, I'll order it regardless if I can't get it at 12:30. As you can tell, it's literally 8:30 in the morning, so I'm pretty tired. I'm gonna go get a toolbox next weekend, so like I said, so I need to measure for it and see where we need to put the truck. I'm gonna put the truck over there, I don't care, but I need to clean out that area and whatnot, and we're gonna have to move some stuff over, just even though it'll be up against the G8 a little bit, or the Charger or whatever. It'll be up against that a little bit, but that way we'll have some room. And that's why I need to get a toolbox, so we can kind of walk over there and just do all our work over there. Do all our work over there and whatnot, and yeah, that way we don't have to crawl around stuff to get to the other side and, you know, whatnot. So I'm gonna look into that. So I don't know, but yeah, that's where we're at. I'll see you guys in a second when we get to the house or whatever we'll do. I might set up another time-lapse deal. It's probably what I'll do with the GoPro mount deal that I got. Just put it somewhere, and I'll probably just, you know, like I said, just set up a mount or something, or, you know, I'll just set up, let's see it. I'll set up a, just a time-lapse probably. So, I'll see you guys in a second.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be in the great outdoors.
So, depending on where this video makes it, this is the end product. Still not a whole lot of room, but we didn't end up putting the truck over there. Didn't get the motor done like I wanted to, but we have probably 8 or so feet, 5, 6, 7 feet, I don't know. That's what we have over there. Now we've got all of this over here, but some of this I think we're gonna get rid of. Obviously that'll be gone soon. I mean, within the next couple weeks or months or whatever. Once we get a seat in there, I mean, there'll be a seat in there, but theoretically I could put that in there now. But I mean, a lot of this stuff we just gotta get rid of. I think what I might do, I don't know, just move all the cars over to that side so you can back a trailer in here, because I don't know, I don't know. But yeah, it's been a long weekend. The car's out of here, the engine's here. But yeah, it's a lot cleaner, but not really. A lot of this stuff, and I mean, like that transmission, it's just got to be put in. It's a built 4L60 just to get us started, not anything great. Not even really built, just kind of little few minor changes. That once that's in the truck, that'll free up some room over there. That'll free up some room. Some of this stuff just needs to go downstairs. I mean, so it's just a matter of, you know, certain things. So yeah, this is the end product. Like I said, It's just not a whole lot of room, but at least we can move the truck over, you know, 6 or so feet, more or less. A lot of this stuff's just got to be put in the truck, put away, whatever. I don't know what I'm gonna do about a toolbox yet. I might, when I get the toolbox, I might just put it right here. I don't know. This probably won't be a very long video. Probably somewhat short, but yeah, probably somewhat short only just because it's not a whole lot. I'll put the time lapse in there and whatnot. But and I'm sorry to kind of do that to you guys and make such a short video, but there's just not a whole lot that we got done today besides cleaning. And like I said, some of this stuff just needs to be put away or thrown away or this or that. And you know, I mean, once that we could fit a lot of stuff under there once that box is gone, and you know, all that stuff's put together, because all that is just engine parts. You know, a lot of this stuff could go downstairs or, you know, be moved or whatever. I mean, got a lot more room. It's just gonna take time to use some of this stuff or whatever, but yeah, it'll. My plan is to do, you know, once the truck's fast enough, you know, running 9, 10, 11, whatever seconds. I want to do like drag week or like do like drag week or something. I don't know. As far as these, I think my dad's gonna get rid of these, so I could even put my toolbox there. He's gonna get rid of that one, I think. Possibly even that one, I'm not sure. So that would free up a good amount of space right there. But we'll have to do something, you know, once the Super Bee comes back. I think my dad's going to get it tomorrow. We'll have to do something because it's going to have to go somewhere in here. I mean, it's definitely going to have to go somewhere. We're going to have to sell a lot of stuff or get some stuff. We're going to have to do something. We're going to definitely have to do something. I don't want to put the truck outside only because it's, I mean, this is one of the major spots right here. I mean, it's rusting right there already. And then there's this dent, which that doesn't really matter, but yeah, I think there's another couple. I want to say there's another rust spot on here somewhere, and I don't remember where. You know, obviously besides underneath, but you know, just on the minor stuff. But I mean, it's kind of starting to bubble a little bit here. You can't really see it, but you can feel it starting to bubble a little bit there and get nasty. So I don't really want to put it outside just because, like I said, it'll just start rusting even more, and then I mean, then you'll have to do something, but. Yeah, so once the Super Bee comes open, we'll have to do something over here or something. I mean, we'll have to do something. And obviously that I know he won't sell, and I don't blame him. I mean, that was his grandpa's, and I don't blame him at all on that for keeping that. I mean, some of the stuff we don't need, because like this we bought when we were racing with our other friends. But now we've got all these. He's got that, which is better than that, really. And then that, which I think he may or may not be getting rid of too. I don't know. I know he'll keep that because we got a green egg deal outside, so we really don't need that one over there. So I don't know. And then if we get rid of this, he was talking about getting rid of this one. But if he does, that'll definitely free up some room there too. So. I got to figure out where to put a toolbox, because I'm going to try and get one either this week or next week. Definitely going to get one, or at least get it ordered. But yeah, I mean, definitely going to get it ordered. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash the like button, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.